Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. Today I'm going to be setting up September 13th through 19th in my hand lettering horizontal planner. So I just hand letter inspirational quotes, one each day in this planner. And I usually do a chunky lettering pen, brush pen, and write one big word here. So the theme I'm going to go with is the apple orchard theme from A to Z planner themes. So that is for this week. And I like that one. The first day of fall is actually, autumn is the 22nd, but that's okay. Apples, no problem. And we're already going to farmers markets. My husband and I, we love to go to farmers markets and get organic stuff when we can, support local farmers. So, so these are the two sticker books I pulled. This one is newer. It's from Recollections. I have a flip through on my channel of this sticker book. It came out a few months ago, and I'm sure that you can still get it at Michael's. And then this one I ordered online. It's from Crta Bella, and I got that from one of my favorite scrapbooking websites, which I will link in the description box. It's the same place where I get my KaiserCraft stickers from Australia, either scrapbook.com or a cherry on top. So, and the color schemes for fall in these two sticker books work really well together. This one's got 2 copies of every page. So, oh, and then this set of stickers just hit Michael's. I forgot I hid that in there. These just hit Michael's. This is 1 sheet of stickers. So these I just got in the mail a few days ago. And I'm just looking for anything apple related. This is 1 single page of stickers, but it's super cute, and it's got this truck that's got, those are pumpkins and those are apples. So I'm going to use that too. All right, so let's get started. First thing I want to do, and some of the greens in these stickers really match well with the greens that are on the page, so that works out nice. So there are some nice boxes in this book that I can use for when I want to attribute the quote to someone. So we'll use these, either these, or there are several options on these. But first thing I want to do is put something in this corner like I usually do. And I like this box. It says Fall in Love, and those are little apples, and the green matches the green on the page like I said. So I'm going to start with this, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover up this week with it. And then when I build a little something here, I'll cover up notes with that. So we're just going to kind of center this in the box. Fall in Love. There we go. With the apples. Okay. So I'm going to try, if I go, let's see, mix the 2 books together. I could use this as a really big box to attribute a quote to someone because it's got an apple right there. This one is super cute. I think I might save this big truck for maybe over here somewhere, beginning of the week or something. Although I kind of feel like it should be driving across, facing the other way. So we'll see. Okay. Let's look for something maybe, oh, this is cute. Fruit. I already looked at this page to spare you guys. It says lots of pumpkin stuff, but it doesn't really say anything apple. Pumpkin again. I don't want to use the word autumn over and over because technically it's not fall yet, so. Carrots. But I think I love fall most of all. So, and it's got an apple pie on it. So now these are a little thicker. They're more like the cardstock ones, but usually I can write okay on the facing page and it doesn't mess me up too much. So I'm just gonna keep this up as high as I can while still covering that word notes and not making it so I need to punch it. So there we go. I'm trying to go back and forth between the 2 sticker books. Let's put a box on that one to help fill in this rest of this space. So there, that's that one with an apple. Okay, let's do that. I'm just going to center this box right above that kind of frilly box. There we go. Okay, that fills that one nice. So let's come back over here. And this, here's Happy Harvest. That's kind of nice. Don't want to put my truck here. I kind of think I want the truck up here. Let's go ahead and just do it so I don't forget. Actually, I'm kind of changing my mind and thinking I want the truck clear over here. I could put it up and put another one of these boxes underneath. Although I feel like it, it should be driving on the green line. Let's have it driving on the green line. Okay. And then maybe another little, let's put another box here. My book is already falling apart. Yes, I flipped through it a lot. Here we go. How about this, yeah, reddish orange one. Okay, so a little something here. Maybe we could go more box quote like. I like this one. It says Farmer's Market, but it doesn't have an apple on it. What else we got in here? Oh, here we go. Good for one autumn market entrance. It says, oh, it's really hard to read. Good for one entrance to the autumn market. I like that. That's cute. Oh, and it just fits. All right, we're going to put that right there. Cute. And then I feel like I want an apple pie there. Let's put an apple pie on there. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. So now I got to decide. I think I usually put them in the same spots over here, but I think maybe I want to mirror this time. So let's, I like this one. Blessings with that apple pie. So if I put it way down here, it'll be far enough away to repeat. And then we can put another box with it. Let's put another box with it. This might be a quick one, you guys. There's blue over here on this little truck, so I'm feeling like I could go ahead and use a little blue over here. It's just that this box with this box is a little wide, so let's see if we can find a skinnier one, just so that I don't lose. Oh, there's all this stuff over here too. Clear stickers, but still. Okay, here's some skinnier ones. I could use one of these. Oh, and that one, there's so many good stickers in here, you guys. I could use this arrow. It's blue. I'd need to write kind of small in there, but I could. Oh, these are a little smaller. Let's use one of these. I said I wanted blue. I'm just going to overlap it a little bit so it can go fit below Thursday. There we go. All right, next one. Next. I love this little bucket of fresh apples. That's cute too. There's so many, I can't use them all. I can't use them all. All right, I could put this row of apples with this little bucket. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, so many good stickers. I didn't think I had that many apple stickers, but I'm finding a lot. Okay, that's where it starts over. My husband grew up on an apple orchard. Here we go, farm. Let's use farm. And let's put it with a bucket of apples. And I grew up in Amish country in Ohio, where you could get unpasteurized apple cider all over the place. And the cool thing about unpasteurized apple cider is if you let it sit in the back of the fridge long enough, it starts to ferment and turn to hard cider all on its own. My mom used to love that when I was a kid. Us kids, we didn't love it so much, but she sure did. And maybe I can put a market up above it. just because I won't end up writing anything in that tiny little space, and I want to maybe put, let's put the last box. I know I never put more than 4. Let's put the last one up there to space them out a little bit. Maybe, so I'm thinking now the way this space is filling up, maybe I want to put farm up there. I think I want to move it. Like farm to market, fresh. Let's do that. So I'm gonna, my page peeled up just a tiny little bit, so I'm gonna use farm to put back over that spot. And then we'll put market, and we'll just kind of stagger them a little bit. When things aren't the same size, stagger them, and that way it's not as awkward, in my opinion. It looks more purposeful. Okay, what do we want here? Let's, oh, there was so much cool stuff in this book up here in the front, the clear stuff, like this apple branch. I want to bring the apple branch out. So clear sticker. There is more than one. Yes, look at that. How cool is that? So I'm going to place it so this straight edge is up against the edge, the straight edge of the box, which makes it kind of come down, which is totally fine. And then maybe I can put an apple pie or something under it. I know there were apple pies all over the place in these books. Maybe this one had one. Oh, there's more apples. I love it. Okay. Here's an apple pie. Here's an apple pie. That's the same one that I've got in 2 places already though, so let's pick a different one. Okay, so maybe this littler one. And just make sure there's not one on here. I don't see one on this page of this book, but nope, it looks like this set of artwork doesn't include any pies. So let's go ahead and grab this one. And I think I want to try to put the clear bit of the branch, I think I want that over top, if I can get it to peel up. There. Yep, there we go. Can't even tell. Okay. And I kind of want to put like one more apple right there beside the pie. Let's get one more apple off of there. There. Perfect. Okay, just one more thing up here. I want it to include a box. Here's a bowl of apples. Here's like apple cider. Okay. I could use this. I was liking this. There's this other crate. No, because I got the crate there. If I put another one there, it's going to look really repetitive. Okay. So in this book, the sticker that caught my eye is this one, and I could put a nice box above it. Let's see. I like lots of stuff on here, but I could put cider on there. I don't have cider on here anywhere. Okay, we can put cider on there. Let's look through this book too one more time. I'm probably going to get my box from here. You are the apple to my pie. That's cute. I could put that on there. Does that fit with those? I think it's going to be too tall. Of course, I could put this above it, but then I still wanted to put a box on there. That's a lot. I like Happy Harvest too. It's a lot. I can't fit it all in there. Big box. There's some little apples. I could use this. If I used this big box, which kind of matches that one though. Happy Harvest. I liked that one. Except that I feel like the branch should attach to that side, so it needs to be flipped. I know, I'm quirky. I know. Hello fall. Does it, I've got farm and market. Does it say harvest anywhere? I need harvest. Nope, no word harvest on that page. What about here? Market again. Nope. So it doesn't say harvest, but I see this fall is the best is kind of cool. I don't know if I'm going to find the word harvest. So what if okay, here's what we're going to do. It just built itself in my head. So I'm going to put this up high. Okay, let's keep it within the box. Okay, and then we'll put fall is the best. And then that leaves me room for a little box for who to attribute the quote to. There we go. Let's use another one of these. Except I think I'm going to need to move this over more. These stickers are very sticky. There we go. All right, let's grab, what color do I want? How about the cream colored one? Okay, so if I put this here, and then I can kind of tie everything together with this. There. There. That is it, you guys. I like it. I don't think it needs anything else. I've got 4 boxes for attributing the quotes to the people who said them. I've got space for my big word. I think that's done. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it on the discs. There is a little bit of gold foil on some of these stickers, so it'll go nicely with my gold discs. Green's my favorite color, so far I'm not really having any trouble keeping the green lines and needing to Frankenplan in different pages. So there we go. There is my Apple Orchard spread for the A to Z Planner Themes 2021 challenge for the week of September 13th through the 19th in my hand lettering horizontal planner. I hope you like this video. I hope it inspires you to keep practicing those hand lettering skills if you've been following along with my hand lettering for the year. Learning a letter a week, oh my gosh, actually learning it is made all the difference in my world because I've tried before and failed. So anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.